The secret to making the difference between these three sounds is how much you open your mouth. For the E sound in seat, your mouth is almost closed. For the I sound in sit, your mouth is a little more open. And for the E sound in set, your mouth is even more open. Watch me, listen, and repeat. E, I, E, seat, I, sit, set. Let's practice each sound individually. Common words like seat, easy, each, even, green, peace, key, we, be, see. Notice that this sound can be spelled several different ways. Listen to and repeat these common words like sit, it, if, is, little, big, sick, win, chips, finish. Now listen to and repeat these common words like set, egg, extra, end, 10, head, friend, many, said, again. This sound can also be spelled in several different ways. Now let's practice making the difference with pairs of words that are different by only one sound. Listen and repeat. Leave, live, heat, hit, sheep, ship, meet, met, read, read, teen, 10, fell, fill, mess, miss, dead, did, these, this. Are you ready for something more difficult? Now you're going to see two words and I'm going to say only one of them. You have 3 seconds to identify the word I say before the answer appears. Beat, will, sin, check, feel, best, bitter, hell, sense. It's important to practice these words in sentences too. Here are 9 practice sentences. 3 of them focus on the sound in seat, 3 of them focus on the sound in sit, and 3 of them focus on the sound in set. I'm going to say each sentence 1 time slowly and 1 time at normal speed, and I want you to repeat both times. Sentences focusing on seat. He teaches reading to 3 people. He teaches reading to 3 people. We keep the sheep out of the heat. We keep the sheep out of the heat. She doesn't believe we should eat meat. She doesn't believe we should eat meat. Sentences focusing on sit. There's a bit of chicken and fish in the kitchen. There's a bit of chicken and fish in the kitchen. It's not a quick fix for the business. It's not a quick fix for the business. Jim lives in a big building in the middle of the city. Jim lives in a big building in the middle of the city. Sentences focusing on set. Wendy said she met many men. Wendy said she met many men. My best friend Kevin checked the test. My best friend Kevin checked the test. Don't put your wet, sweaty head on the bed.